Here I've got iPhone XS clone, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first open the settings, then find and select the general, it's under do not disturb. Here scroll down and select language and region. And now it's time to pick the language that you would like to have your device in. As you can see, there are plenty of languages, so it can be, for example, Espanol, this one. And from now on, everything, all the settings, all the menu will be in Espanol. Just take a look. And everything is in Espanol. If you would like to go back to English or some other language, just go to General one more time. You will recognize it from the icon, the gray one. Then find and select International. And pick the one that you would like to have. So in my case, it will be English UK. Just click on it. And now we are back in English, so we can understand everything. Let's go back and take a look. So that's it. Now you can change the language whenever you want or need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.